ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಮರಳಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿರಣ್ ಗೌಡ. ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಟಾಟಾದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೆವಿಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸುಮಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟಾಟಾ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಟೀಮ್ನ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you very much.
Sir, so we are very surprised actually seeing the lineup.
I hope it is a
this
pleasant
is very big surprise for us. So almost 14 vehicles has been launched in different fuel category.
Yes.
So as a part of sustainability. So I just wanted to understand about this LNG. Basically CNG and biofuel we have seen a lot of vehicles. So this you have launched the first vehicle with respect to LNG in India.
Heavy
So
commercial
what is
first.
LNG? So can you give a brief about LNG, sir?
नहीं तो ये ऑटो एक्सपो में हमने 14 प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किए.
Yes.
We have launched 14 products
Yes.
in every fuel category.
Yes, sir, correct.
So first two vehicle what we are demonstrated right now.
Yes, sir.
This is our H2 ICE vehicle.
Uh-huh.
The second vehicle is our H2 fuel cell vehicle on the
Yes.
heavy commercial range.
Uh-huh.
Third vehicle is a pure battery electric vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Then we are also launched two new product platforms.
Yes.
It's a next generation architecture
Yes.
on a Signa and a Azura vehicle on our intermediate and light commercial vehicle range of vehicle. And then also you are familiar with our buses as the electric vehicle,
Correct.
buses as a fuel cell vehicle which you are familiar.
Yes, sir.
We are also displayed our 9-tonner electric vehicle Ultra E.9.
Yes, sir.
Or also on a last mile connectivity, a last mile vehicle on electrification which is on the ACE or our Magic platform. This is you are seeing.
Correct.
So our solution, what you see, is from a fossil fuel, which is the energy efficiency platform which is there, to a transition fuel, which is like a CNGs and LNGs of the world,
Yes.
to a zero emission vehicles, whether it's a fuel cell or battery electric vehicle or an H2 ICE. Everything is covered. And depending upon, say, its usage, its duty cycle, we are saying that a right application on that particular model or platform can be applicated.
Super, sir. And so this particular trucks, few of the trucks has ADAS and few latest technologies as well.
Yes.
So what made you to bring this to the particular commercial vehicles trucks that too?
Say in addition to other attributes,
Uh-huh.
for Tata Motors, the safety is of paramount importance.
Correct.
And our theme is safety for all in commercial vehicle side. So safety for the driver, safety for the passenger who are sitting in the buses, safety for the cargo and safety of the vehicle. This is very, very important to us.
Yes.
And we always work on a active safety and a passive safety.
Yes.
And when we specifically speak about the say passive safety side, and we recently launched also India's first safest truck, which is
Correct.
coming with collision mitigation system, lane departure warning, electronic stability control. It comes with a hill hold assist, tire pressure monitoring system, DMS, driver monitoring system, everything is there.
Yes.
In addition to that, working on a say, next generation material to improve the passive safety of the vehicle from a structural integrity point of view. So all these are our focus areas as far as the safety is concerned.
Yes, sir. So we have seen the Starbus EV as well in
Yes.
this Auto Expo you unveiled yesterday. So the thing is, what may be the range of Starbus EV? So what we can expect from Starbus EV?
So typically buses are designed to meet the tender requirement,
Yes.
or in fact our approach is always to surpass the tender requirement. So it is not only from a range perspective, but say the driver aspect, because our entire product development is around the driver-centric product development or user-centric product. So along with the range, what important is the comfort, convenience. What important is the HMI of the vehicle. What important is also the safety.
Yes, sir.
And that is one aspect. But when the users are also sitting inside the vehicle, they should feel the roominess, the accessibility, the comfort, convenience, the sitting posture, everything is important. Range is also important. And when we talk about the range, it is having a different duty cycles within that. A particular city will require certain kind of a calibration,
Yes.
certain kind of control strategies around that, regeneration strategy around that. We are meeting around that. So it definitely meets all the regulatory requirement. It also meets the tender requirement and everything, which always crosses more than say 200 kilometer range.
Yes.
Not always.
And we have seen this hydrogen fuel cell
Electric
vehicles
vehicle
as well as hydrogen IC engine vehicles as
Yes.
well. So what is the difference between hydrogen IC engine?
So
vehicles
this is our H2 ICE vehicle.
Yes.
So instead of like you have a conventional engine, you generally inject the diesel.
Okay.
After burning,
Okay.
you rotate the propeller shaft. For propeller shaft, you take a power from axles and the wheel gate rotation. So instead of diesel, we are injecting hydrogen onto this. So this is the H2 ICE vehicle. So other powertrain remains same onto this. What second technology which we are demonstrating is the fuel cell stack. So fuel cell stack, which you have already seen when we discussed in the past
Yes.
on our fuel cell electric vehicle
Yeah.
on the buses platform, which you are already working with the Indian Oil Corporation to supply them this. The same technology which we are using it here, and the stack will be different depending upon the usage, the load which we are carrying, kind of application which we are working upon that. So that is, I think we are focusing a lot on hydrogen technology.
Sir, lastly, the thing is, so when some of the vehicles or concepts actually, when we can expect that vehicles to be available for the customers?
Some of the vehicle, if you see, are already in production.
Yeah.
Like you see our ACE EV vehicle, or a Magic EV, which will soon can be launched, or a hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle bus is under validation, and then it will be soon hand over to say IOCL. Or when we talk about some of the say our electric or LNG platforms which are there on the light commercial vehicle, this will be coming very soon. So you will see all the technologies are under validation, are getting matured from an Indian duty cycle point of view, and it will come very soon, one by one. All the technology will get launched.
Nice, sir. You explained very well. Thank you for that, sir.
My pleasure, my pleasure. Thank
Valuable
you.
time.
Yes.
And ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನೋಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವ್ರು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿಗೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಬಾಯ್.